In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw your signature for DocuSign. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your digital documents or simply want to ensure your signature looks exactly how you like, this tutorial will guide you through each step of the process with ease and clarity. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your profile. Take a look at the top right corner of your DocuSign interface, where you'll see an icon or an initial representing your profile. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select My Preferences. This option is where you manage settings related to your account and your personalized touches, a perfect spot for setting up your signature. Once you're in the My Preferences section, focus your attention on the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find an option labeled Signatures. Clicking on this will open up a list of your existing signatures. If this is your first time creating a signature, this space will soon showcase your unique electronic signature styles. It's handy to know that you can manage and select from these at any time based on your signing needs. Feeling ready to create? Excellent. Find the option to Create Signature and click on it. This is your gateway to adding a new signature that will be uniquely yours. As you click on it, you'll be presented with multiple options for adding your signature. Since today's focus is on drawing your signature, you'll want to look for the Draw tab. Now comes the creative part, drawing your signature. Select the Draw option, and you'll see a space where you can use your cursor, or if you're on a touchscreen device, your finger or stylus, to draw your unique signature. Take your time with this step. Aim for a style or flourish that represents you. Remember, this is the signature that will appear alongside your digital documents, embodying your presence and approval. Once you're satisfied with your drawn signature, look for a button labeled Create or something similar. Clicking on this will save your signature into your list, ready for use whenever and wherever you need it. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, you've added a personal touch to your digital documents in DocuSign. This process not only enhances the authenticity of your documents, but also provides the convenience of a consistent and recognizable signature across all your digital engagements. Feel free to revisit and update your signature if you wish. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.